Welcome to Best Choice. The best archival ink pads are probably one of the most essential tools for any serious stamper or crafter looking to create lasting, vibrant impressions on a variety of surfaces, ensuring that your beautiful artwork and important documents stand the test of time without fading or bleeding. These specialized ink pads are formulated to be permanent, waterproof, and fade-resistant, making them ideal for projects that require durability and longevity, from scrapbooking and card making to official document stamping and mixed media art. Choosing the right archival ink pad can significantly elevate the quality and permanence of your stamped creations, providing peace of mind that your work will remain crisp and clear for years to come. Number 5. ExcelMark Extra Large Black Ink Pad. Introducing the ExcelMark Extra Large Ink Pad, designed to deliver exceptional results for all your stamping needs. Its generous size ensures you can ink up any stamp with ease. Experience the difference with our premium quality felt pad. It's engineered to provide a superb ink transfer, ensuring every impression is crisp and clear. This ink pad is the ideal companion for your traditional rubber stamps. Achieve professional-looking results effortlessly, no matter the design. With dimensions of 3 to 7/8 by 7 inches, this extra-large pad offers ample surface area. It's perfect for larger stamps or for re-inking multiple times without worry. Crafted for durability, this ink pad guarantees reliable performance. The high-quality felt ensures consistent ink distribution for countless uses. This package includes one black ink pad, ready to use right out of the box. It's the perfect solution for adding a bold, black mark to your documents. What we like? This ink pad offers an extra-large surface for all your stamping needs. Its premium felt ensures crisp, clear impressions every time. If you're looking for a reliable, generously sized ink pad for general stamping and crafting, this is an excellent choice. Number 4. Ranger AIP 31468 Archival Ink Pad, Jet Black. Introducing the Ranger AIP 31468 Archival Ink Pad in Jet Black. This ink provides lasting stamping results that are permanent on many surfaces. Achieve a crisp image that won't bleed over water-based inks, markers, acrylic paint, or watercolors. It's the perfect addition to your crafting supplies. Our ink is acid-free, non-toxic, and waterproof, ensuring your creations are both safe and durable. Enjoy peace of mind with every stamp. It offers permanent adhesion on both matte and gloss papers. This means your stamped images will look great on a variety of paper types. It air dries on matte surfaces and can be heat set on glossy surfaces for a professional finish. Get the results you want, quickly and easily. Available in a classic jet black color, this ink pad is a versatile choice for all your stamping needs. Elevate your projects with this essential tool. What we like? Experience lasting, permanent stamping results with this archival ink. It provides a crisp image that won't bleed over water-based inks or markers. If you need an ink that is waterproof and permanent on various surfaces, especially for mixed media projects, this is the one. Number 3. Ranger RGRA 3P.06701 Archival Ink Pad. Introducing the Ranger Archival Ink Pad, a high-quality product designed for your crafting needs. It provides a rich, deep black color perfect for any project. This jumbo-sized ink pad offers plenty of ink for all your stamping applications. The jet black color is bold and permanent, ensuring your creations stand out. Experience archival quality with this ink pad, meaning your stamped images will resist fading over time. It's perfect for preserving your memories and artwork. Proudly manufactured in the United States, this ink pad is a testament to quality craftsmanship. You can trust in its durability and performance. Whether you're scrapbooking, card making, or engaging in other paper crafts, this is the perfect black ink pad for you. Its reliable performance makes it a staple. What we like? This jumbo-sized archival ink pad delivers high-quality performance. Manufactured in the United States, it ensures reliability and durability. If you prefer a larger pad and value domestically produced crafting supplies, this ink pad is a great option. Number 2. Ranger Archival Mini Ink Pads Kits 1-4 Bundle. Introducing the Ranger Archival Mini Ink Pads Kits 1-4 Bundle. This collection brings together 4 essential kits for your crafting needs. You'll receive Kit 1, 2, 3, and 4, each containing a curated selection of vibrant and essential colors. From bold reds and oranges to deep greens and blues, and even essential blacks and browns, These inks offer a wide spectrum for your projects. Achieve crisp, clear images that won't bleed when used with water-based inks, markers, or paints. They provide lasting, permanent results on various surfaces. These inks are acid-free, non-toxic, fade-resistant, and water-resistant, ensuring your stamped creations stand the test of time. They are proudly made in the USA. Each ink pad is perfectly sized for easy handling and storage, measuring just 1.75 by 1.25 by 0.625 inches. What we like? Get a bundle of mini archival ink pads in a wide array of colors. These pads produce crisp, fade-resistant, and water-resistant images. If you love to experiment with different colors and need small, versatile pads for detailed work or creating color palettes, this bundle is perfect for you. Number 1. Tim Holtz Distress Archival Mini Ink Kit Bundle. Discover the Tim Holtz Distress Archival Mini Ink Kits. These essential tools are perfect for adding unique effects to your projects. With 3 distinct kits included, you'll have a wide range of colors and archival inks at your fingertips. Explore endless creative possibilities. Keep your inks tidy and readily available with the included storage tin. Everything you need is neatly organized for your convenience. Experience the superior quality of archival inks. They provide fade-resistant and permanent results, ensuring your creations stand the test of time. This comprehensive 4-item bundle brings together all 3 mini ink kits and the practical storage tin. It's the perfect set for any crafter. What we like? This bundle includes multiple mini ink kits from the popular Distress Archival line, along with a storage tin. These inks are designed for creating artistic, layered effects that are permanent and fade-resistant. If you are a fan of Tim Holtz's distress products and want a convenient way to store and use a variety of archival inks for creative distressing techniques, this is an ideal choice. What people say. The ink pads are a good size and hold a lot of ink. The ink dries quickly and does not smudge. The colors are vibrant and true to the swatch. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.